how to bypass any sales page using Commission Gorilla Pro V3. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to bypass any sales page on Jvzoo or ClickBank with this version of Commission Gorilla. And for those who already have it, then you probably missed out on my bonuses. But if you haven't got it or thinking about getting it, I highly recommend it because the link is down below, and I'm actually using this tool on my Commission Gorilla V3 bonus page. And here's what it's called: Sales Page Bypass. And I am a Pro member because I only recommend the Pro and the Sales Page Bypass tool because it'll help you in almost any promotion that you can do on Jvzoo and ClickBank. And I just want to share with you an example. Go to my pages of how this tool works really quick before we go to the actual page. Go to my Commission Gorilla bonus page. Okay. Video pops up. Jvzoo. Done for you. You can get 18 done for you bonuses and 100 and extra done for you bonuses for Commission Gorilla and extra training on how to use it, by the way. And I just want to share with you how it works really quick. Secure checkout. You don't even go to the sales page on my Commission Gorilla V3 page. See, it goes directly to the checkout. It's kind of like a little hack to improve on your promotions for your affiliate promos, because most people has already been on the pages for Commission Gorilla or any other product, so that'll pretty much help you out. And I'm gonna actually do it on a page that I already have done called 60-Minute Reseller, because that's a Jvzoo product. Just to save time, wait for it to load. And I've reviewed this product because I thought it was pretty cool. And it's done by John Thornhill. And what I'm going to be doing is replacing all the links that are going to the sales page to bypass it. So what you'll need to do for the tool is grab your affiliate link or Jvzoo ID, which you can find in my account. And you'll just want to get your affiliate link first. Just to get that done, copy it. Go to your sales page bypass tool if you've already gotten it, and you want to grab your Jvzoo ID, obviously. And my recommendation is to watch the training first before doing everything, just so you know how to use the tool. But in this case, you don't really have to, because I'm showing you how to use it anyway. Actually, you want to grab the sales page for the product that you want to promote really quick. And my internet is a little bit slow, so yeah, bear with me here for a second. So you want to copy the entire link for the sales page. Go back to sales page bypass / training. Enter sales page URL and hit scan. And it should pop up. and hit copy this link. That is your sales page bypass link for the product that you want to promote. And you'll want to go back into Commission Gorilla. And then I'm going to replace my links that I've already had in here. Do that for all the buttons I've added. Hit OK. And then do the same thing for page settings. New window, redirect if the page is paused. And I do have the Pro version, so I'm going to use the Pro version add-ons for this. Pro features right here. Exit redirect. Cloak. There you go. And that should be it. And you want to hit save because it does refresh ever so often, so to force you to log back into the software to both the sales page bypass and Commission Gorilla, which is basically the same in the same funnel. Hit save and exit, and everything should work. Check it out really quick. Secure checkout, and there we go. It does work. And then bump offers and all that cool stuff. Yeah, that is how you can pretty much bypass any sales pages with Commission Gorilla V3 Pro and the sales page bypass tool, which is again what this looks like right here. It's called Super Affiliate Secrets, which is the sales page bypass tool also. And I would recommend it. It's an upsell in Commission Gorilla. Go check it out. See you all in the next video.